And again, arriving. Here's Barry's shop. But where are the bubbles? Let's go in and find out. It's its grand opening. How grand. Oh, all right.
Hey, how are you guys?
Hey, what's happening?
I know.
Hey.
It's okay. I don't have my wig on now. Better close that door. Yeah. There you go. All right.
Hey, happy grand opening.
Thank you, man. Thank you, man.
Hey.
Yeah.
I like that word. Chimes. And he's doing great, apparently. Gotta watch your head going through here. Low ceiling. From back in the day when people weren't that tall. And of course he sells bubble making supplies. Of course he'd be selling bubble making stuff. Even make big ones. Interesting monsters stuff here. Grandpa. Oh, Eddie and Marilyn. All right. Oh, Lily. And of course my favorite, Herman. After all, Fred Gwynn is buried here in Maryland, near Tawnytown. I'll take it to his grave one day. Does our train run? Yeah, the lights are on. There we go. All right. Gotta be coming around the bend.
I think there's a dead spot in the track here. That's why it stopped. You still haven't fixed that yet.
Yeah, I turned it earlier and it just went about that far and stopped.
Made it through.
Just rolled through. Maybe there was dirt there.
Even a castle on the hill.
Thank you, Bill.
All right. Wait a second, Barry.
Heard that.
I'm good for something, you know? There's a horn on this thing, but it doesn't seem to work.
Even a train inside there. I wouldn't trust that track.
Then you gotta do the other one. Then you gotta do the other one. It's like,
Oh, that's what this is.
so the air comes out.
Harry Potter thing.
You're putting in, and then you really seal it. You're gonna get complete airtight everything.
Everything lights up. Love that magnet. Then and now. Even sells food. Gummy dinosaurs. Ooh, got some free goodies here. I might just take advantage. Now, didn't Shirley Temple once wear that dress? A bird in a gilded cage. Lots of nice stuff here. And over there, the Grand Wizard himself.
Okay, so
Even got a froggy. Right by the track. Hey, froggy. Even fossils. What else can you ask? Yep, you're interesting. Fantastic grand opening here.
The other ones, I need to get the road ticket up. Which means
that should be.
The Bullfrog approved business, just for you. Bullfrog approved.
They basically once they get.
As I said, free food.
root beer and ginger ale.
Root beer, oh. My grandmother.
Someone say beer?
Cookies and
Oh, root beer, never mind.
Yeah.
Got my hopes up for nothing.
So you can basically, my grandfather used to say, put a few in the
You take whatever's not nailed down.
Yeah. I'm stealing them.
You steal the candy. Candy thief. That's our lunch.
Everything's nice, really. That little angel.
All right. Let's head upstairs.
Thank you.
2 more floors. All right.
There's lots and lots of things. Wow. I never.
For the first time, 2 more floors. Yep. Well, I'm floored. I am so floored. Lots of ins and outs to this place. These old buildings are fantastic. All these cool ins and outs that my house doesn't have. All right. Rather extensive layout here. Huh. All these hidden passages I never knew about. Where does this lead? And some more stuff. Will you check this out? I think I'm getting lost. How do you get out of here? It's like a maze. Well, there's the rest of the place. Just like cave exploring, if you look back and turn around, the place looks different. And you might lose your way. I'll try this way. Don't ask where I'm going because I don't know. Geez, another room. Barry, what are you up to? Anyway, I hope you're enjoying your tour of the Forget-Me-Not Factory. Let's see if this is an exit. It leads somewhere. Oh, no more rooms. Every time I think I've seen it all, I haven't seen it all. This place is so extensive. If you can't find any gift for somebody here, you got a problem. Incredible. There's so much to this place I never knew. Well, try again. I see a door there. Where am I? There's a 3rd floor yet. All right, check out the 3rd floor. The last frontier. Yeah, good place to stop. Jeez. How much more is there to this place? And up here, more stuff for the holidays.
I had to take the robe off. It got too hot for me.
Oh no, there he is. There's our Grand Wizard.
Yeah, it got too warm.
Must be hot in that outfit, I'm sure.
Oh yeah, it gets a little, especially when I'm up here working with the
They
customers.
really are.
It's real nasty.
You look okay like that.
Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, I can handle it.
Right.
There's another white one. Wow.
You know what,
Showing
Barry?
some customers some white.
Boy, what are they?
In a book yesterday at the library, and Pete the Pirate, remember that movie? I was
Oh
like,
yeah, yeah.
He was
my
a
brother had a nightmare once. He was coming up by the window of the boat. I remember
He
Pete
saw
the
that.
Pirate.
That's
Right.
great.
I remember how to read. Work around my house.
rather extensive. Nice Christmas garden there. But this is so extensive here.
City book. These are all
Really?
new villages.
You have a lot to this place. I knew it was so extensive.
Oh yeah.
3 floors. Yeah. Of course, to go around the bend, one more door. Am I lost yet? I can drive on the road and not get lost. Come in here and lose my way. I can go in the cave and not get lost. Oh, there's our friend Dorothy. And the Good Witch of the North. I agree with that. Highly. Yeah, cool signs there.
Something still to hang from that darn, oh well.
Sounds like me. All right. Oh, there's Frankenstein.
I think it's on her list.
Nice little gas pump sign there.
So we can
A nice sign up there too.
she reorder, she'll call you.
Yeah, they're like art class. Yeah. It's like art class, yeah. Okay.
Whatever you might want. Barry's got it. And if you're into peanuts, well, who's that over there? Gosh dang it, that's me.
I told her they don't enforce it. Oh, they don't? No. So what happened was when Mason
Even nice outfits. In case you want to make your own bubbles. Oh, pirate shirt.
Yeah, Nancy told me that because I was nervous about it.
Well, I think I was in here already. I'm going in circles. But it's fun. Yeah, I was in this room already. Once you've been in one room, they all begin looking alike when you're wandering around. But you gotta love it, though. Well, he even sells trains. Still a fantastic place. As I said, Bullfrog approved.
Anyway, so you can always call us and go, hey,
Play me,
You have
only
this
25
piece.
cents.
They play a piano.
I don't
Literally.
like these smaller ones. I think they're probably going to work better.
Yep, I'm all keyed up.
Because my husband, this is just
Margaritaville
just a little bit.
and Charlie Tuna.
there's a second one over here. Like another little one.
But is that? Oh, here's.
But here is a lamp you just gotta love.
Yeah. That would even look cute in the picture.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll take that.
It filters itself back out, which is super cool. But
All right.
we got a lot of
Now,
water
how do you get out of here now?
that was coming in through like the side door. And came
I'm lost.
across, the back room, so anything we have to
Literally.
Now it didn't come out this far, but the village.
Here's a display in case you're the Mad Hatter. You have to even cater to him here, the Mad Hatter himself. Alright, where's the exit? I mean, I do like it here. I think it's great. Let's try through here again. You're gonna go around a few circles before you get out of here. That's how he gets his business. He traps you in here. Then as soon as you buy something, you find the way out. That's a cool setup. I like it. And now backtracking. Still haven't found the way out. Oh no, we're trapped. Until we buy something. Ah, there's the man again. There's our Grand Wizard again.
Get that player piano. Should play the player piano. Play it.
Yeah. Oh, I thought about it.
Do they have those?
Oh, there we go. Here are the steps. Almost couldn't find them. Oh, back down. And then here's the second level, which you saw a little while ago, as you recall. Lots of passages here in this level too. But down to the first level. So there you have it, a thorough tour of the Forget-Me-Not factory. Still, these stone walls tell a story.
We've had snow.
Fantastic.
Yeah, we have.
The way they designed these buildings a couple hundred years ago.
Further south and
Incredible.
north. I mean, we kind of, sometimes it misses the metropolitan area, but yeah.
And Barry's grand opening is going very well.
The best known brand for the little lighted houses. There are a few other brands, but
Just came out of there.
Same one as that, right?
Yeah. And Dolly takes everyone's picture. Posterity.
She made all the lighted.
Yeah, I lost mine too. Whatever. But I'll take a Margaritaville. I think I'll buy a magnet and help Barry out. Yeah, why not? Let's go help the guy out.
I don't want to do it.
There's the man. Alrighty.
Nancy's gonna take a picture real quick.
Gotcha. Alright. Perfect.
All right.
Mr. Barry, we'll see you again, okay?
Okay, guys.
Fantastic. Congratulations, okay? Hope it all goes well for you.
All right.
Fantastic. All right. Alrighty. And we're gone. Already gone. Still, I miss those bubbles. Gotta put the bubbles out here. We got that, whatever that is. Hard to believe, lots of ins and outs to these old buildings. Should have gone all the way up. But there it is. Barry's grand opening. Maybe tomorrow the bubbles will be back out. But as I said, Bullfrog approved spot to do your shopping. So stop on in.